Darlinda's still alive. Darlinda's still alive, and she's still out there handling it. Hey, y'all see that video right there? That's Demeter, the beautiful Demeter. I always had it. Anyway, my husband probably slapped me. Demeter and Casper. You all know Casper, the Casper slide. You know Casper's multi-talented brother. And look, you see that little hop he did? A little boom. That's original stepping with thugs in mind. First of all, we were all kids. I don't think nobody was over 21, 22. You know, so it was a kid dance. It was a beautiful dance. We had all that energy. And here's this video right here. There go your boy Rick and Kim in the contest with Ty Skippy and Celeste and Nike and Tori over there. They're in the contest too. That was in 2010, y'all. Ooh, I'm old. Yeah, but Nike and Tori, they were on the Ellen DeGeneres show performing for Kendrick Lamar. He was singing, performing a song on the Ellen DeGeneres show. He had an artist painting the painting of them dancing. It was beautiful, y'all. You can put it up on YouTube. And by the end of the song, excuse me, mic check. By the end of the song, he had finished the artwork. It was beautiful, y'all. Pull it up. Kendrick Lamar on Ellen DeGeneres, and you'll see Nike and Tori. And hey, this right here, see y'all? See the difference? This is bopping. See that video again right there? This is another part of that cool bopping. Bopping is a beautiful dance. Don't misunderstand me. I love bopping. I can't do it, but I love watching it. I love seeing people do it. My mama used to do it. Her era, her generation. Well, we came out with this gangster dance. We called it bopping because we didn't know no difference. And then Sam Chapman, I think, made it official. Steppin'. Let's go steppin'. Let's go steppin' six. And all that good stuff.